Welcome back to Solving Chaos Trading channel, where I trade stocks, options, and show how I collect dividends. Uh, right now, today is today is October 1st, and we see that this option is going to expire tomorrow. This is Bank of America, strike price of $25.50, and you can see that all the value is captured. It will expire worthless tomorrow. So what I'm probably going to do is I can let it expire and make a full $1, or I may just demonstrate how a roll will work. So I'm thinking I'm going to roll it out to next week, and you can see what is the premium for a Bank of America. That's $24. You can collect, if I use a $24.50 strike price, this the premium is going to be 26 cents. It's actually between the two. $25, or as you go higher, the premium will be smaller. So what I want to do is check the probability of this happening. So I punched in Bank of America, and on E-Trade, I can see the put side, make sure the dates are correct. So it's currently $24. And if I use a $25 strike price for next week, the probability of it expiring worthless will be in my favor, right? 78% of the time. If I move it up, I have a higher chance of winning. But obviously, the higher you go, oh, I'm sorry, looking at the wrong thing. So I'm supposed to look at the call side. I'm doing a cover call. So as I go higher, so $25 strike price is 21% chance of being in the money. And as you can see, as I move further up, the odds of me losing, right, become smaller and smaller and smaller. But in effect, you also collect less premium. And so the strategy is to pick the right balance between the two. So for Bank of America, banks are weak. So I may pick somewhere between 25 or 25.50. If I go further, it's not worth it just to make $2 or $3 minus your commission. So on this trade, I'll probably go with a 25.50 and collect the 8 cents or $8, which is still not a lot, but you'll see here. I'll do a net credit. I'll close one for 1 penny. Let me try to capture the 8 cents, and you'll see if I have this right. You see the commissions will eat everything up, but that's how it works. And let's see, did it work? Nope. There are times where you have to look at the price and lower it by a penny. And so if I want this trade to go across, if I make this into a 7 cents net, it has a better chance of going across. And we'll see if it goes. And there it goes. You see that in the confirmation. And if you look at the portfolio now, it will be updated. Or I go here, it will be updated. Whoa. So Bank of America, I just rolled it here. You see that? Simple as that. Have a good one.